In this video, I'll walk you through easy steps to get your perfect domain name without the stress. Let's dive in. First up, keyword research. This step is crucial. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you find the best keywords related to your business. Think about what your customers might search for and jot down those ideas. Next, let's generate some domain name ideas. You can brainstorm manually or use AI tools to come up with unique and catchy names. Be creative, but also consider variation in case your first choice isn't available. Now, it's time to check availability and register your domain. Platforms like Dynadot are great for this. Make sure to compare prices and look for cost-effective options. Remember, a perfect domain name doesn't have to break the bank. One crucial point: avoid trademark infringement. Before you finalize your choice, check for trademarks to ensure you're not stepping on any toes. Understanding the UDRP, or Uniform Domain Name Dispute Resolution Policy, can save you a lot of hassle later. When it comes to pricing and registration, platforms like Spaceship offer competitive rates. Shop around to find the best deal that fits your budget. And here's a bonus tip: consider different domain extensions like .com or .in. Depending on your audience, one might be more relevant than the other. To wrap things up, remember to balance keyword relevance, domain availability, and cost. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to securing the perfect domain name for your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and drop your questions in the comments below. Happy domain hunting!